going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Life Outdoors, and today we have the coolest unboxing that this channel has ever seen. So as you guys know, my buddy Murphy and I have been doing a yearly trip that we call the Send, where we go to a different state in search of different fish species. We've built these trips up yearly, and we're now on our 4th iteration of the Send, and with this trip, we're planning the Montana Send. So we'll be going to the Madison River, the Yellowstone River, and the Gallatin River in search of big browns and native cutthroat. As we were planning out this trip, I got in touch with my buddy AJ here, and we ended up talking about some raft companies that he's familiar with, and he brought up this awesome company here, River Rat USA. Now, one of his buddies owns one of these River Rat boats. This is a 12-foot, 3-seater, fully framed fishing raft. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna unbox this boat, put it together. I've got AJ here to help me out so that I don't do anything wrong because he already has experience, and it should be an awesome time. So River Rat was nice enough to send me this boat for our trip, and I'm excited to say that on this Montana Send, we'll also have Alex Rohrig out with Murphy and myself, 3 people in the boat, floating some of the best rivers in the West. It should be an awesome series. So really looking forward to filming that this coming October. If you guys have any spots that you think we should hit, local bars, you want to meet us while we're out on the water, let us know, shoot me a message. I think that'd be super fun. But for now, let's dive into the River Rat USA boxes and put together this beautiful boat. Really appreciate you being out here.
Yeah, excited to do it.
Let's get the first box down then.
Okay.
Without slamming it.
Gotcha.
Here, I got a little knife for you. Let's break into this
Boy
bad
Scouts
boy.
of America.
Heck yeah, Eagle Scout and proud.
Heck yeah, dude.
Alrighty. What do we got in here? Oh boy. Alright, so we got oars.
So seats.
Seats. Ooh. And this is the platform.
Yeah.
That is a thing of beauty.
Yeah.
I saw that little O-ring in there.
Yeah, that's for one of yours.
Woo, that is sweet. Let's go ahead and pop these seats open and see what we're looking at.
And they hold up as far as like the backrests. They don't like cave in.
No way. That's wicked. I mean, 3 seats is just perfect though, because you have so much room if it's just you and a fishing buddy, or you got plenty of room for a couple of fishing buddies. And in our case, 1 fisherman, 1 rower, and 1 cameraman.
Absolutely.
Which is exactly what we want. Whew. That's a good color too. So some other exciting news about this color. I'm working with a trailer company right now that's actually going to color match this red to a custom raft trailer, which I'll talk about more in another episode. But this combination of this red and that custom trailer going down the highway, that's gonna be something special.
That'll be really cool.
That's gonna be sweet. What do they say about using pocket knives to unbox rafts?
Yeah, exactly.
It's okay, we're trained for this.
Yeah. We're professionals.
Woo!
Christmas
Look at that.
morning.
These are powder coated beautifully.
Yeah.
We'll set these off to the side for now. Get everything on out of here. Got the oars. Just like that.
That's going to be your hanger on the back, so that's going to be the very back.
So this is the piece that would be the motor mount if I were to throw a motor on there.
Yes.
And this can take up to a 5 horsepower outboard.
Oh, that's sick.
Which is pretty cool. You could be ripping. Is that ready to pop out? Perfect.
One section.
Set that there. treating it so baby-like, even though we're gonna dump this in a river and like roll it through gravel.
Yeah,
and,
it's gonna end up sliding down boat ramps and all kinds of other things.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I'm sorry, boat. This is the nicest she's gonna look.
It's like anything that you buy with gear, right?
Yeah.
Like you baby it at first, and then eventually it's like cameras or fly rods or anything.
That is a boat. So we got the pump, which are going to be a lot to inflate, and they're kind of heavy.
Basically, the way that this all kind of connects is that you've got these inserts that are, you know, kind of machined really, really nicely that go between the different components, and they slide in, and then you've got those pins that slide in and capture there, and then the next component will slide right over and do the same. And so it's really all just about kind of getting them all lined up in the right order. Front seat there is pretty obvious because you've got the bracket where the seat goes, and it arches up, which gives you room underneath that seat for like a boat bag or a small cooler or something like that. These are gonna be where your oar locks are gonna be. These components here are gonna go together and make the front lean brace. This is gonna be the rower's seat, so there's gonna be a way to attach that seat to this main frame here. This is gonna be what hangs off the back and forms kind of both the transom for a small, I think up to 5 horsepower motor, but also helps capture and manage the anchor. And then these bars here help form the rear deck that sit with the big red frame, or the big red deck over there. You can see kind of where those would sit. So all kind of gets pinned together and pretty quickly comes into about a 12 or 13 foot long frame. Next is gonna be these frame pieces.
Okay.
Okay, so if we went in.
Plus,
like
if we get it wrong,
yeah,
it's so easy to put together.
I think we're right there, yeah. Okay.
I didn't realize how few pieces this was going to be.
It really
That's
is.
kind of the craziest part. It's so lightweight. Does it matter if the pins are sitting top or bottom?
Yeah, because it's going to sit on the boat.
Yeah, you don't want to mess with the raft.
Yeah.
So we got our oar locks. Alrighty. Sweet. Oh, so those are no hardware?
Yeah.
Wow.
Swivel.
No way.
Okay,
so I'll pass you the seat.
Sure.
A little higher. Right there. Now we like power tools. Okay.
Cool.
Probably not gonna lock them in all the way, just so I can figure out what seat position I like.
Yeah.
But that looks pretty solid. Okay guys, now we need to do the bad part, which is the inflating. It's never fun. Here goes. All legs, no back.
Right?
Let you do the honors for the last one.
Yes, sir.
As if it's an honor. It's just a workout.
All right. All right, so
That's wicked.
assuming this is the front,
Yep.
we'll need a little bit more room because it hangs about a foot off the back.
Okay. Oh, I like the handles on the front.
Yeah. All right, watch your siding here.
Yeah. It's a rental.
And it's gonna sit somewhere around, you'll kind of see, it's kind of somewhere in that where
it's sitting on the highest point.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. Woo. Are you kidding me? This is gonna be crazy.
And then grab this.
This is wild. Oh, for sure bolting this down.
Right.
That's gonna get locked into place.
There you go. And then this basically just slides to there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you would basically just bolt it there.
Gotcha.
Right.
Oop. Oh man, it's just a little catch plate. That's it.
Yeah.
That's so sick. Holy cow.
The boys.
That's
Your
ridiculous.
steed.
Let's put these oars together real
Put
quick.
the oars together. And then you'll want to
I'm just wondering if we
these
might,
guys together.
before strapping it down,
Yep.
do we take the frame off and just punch those holes right now?
If you want to, sure.
I think that might be the move because that was a great call with metal shavings.
You know?
You want to keep it away from as many dangerous things as possible.
Yeah.
And that's about as dangerous as it gets. Oh, and they're the Cataract mini cutthroats. And we're gonna take it cutthroat fishing, meant to be.
I think those are technically shoal cut oars too, because you got a difference on one side and other. So if you can get into shallow water, you can get flipped over and get into a shallower.
That
but if
makes
you need to get
sense.
that deep cut, you can.
That's pretty neat. Okay guys, so what we've been doing here, we've marked 2 points where the frame connects to this platform that's on the rear here. And instead of using straps, or at least just straps, to lock this into the frame, we're actually going ahead and we're drilling bolts through the frame just because I'm gonna have a trailer for this raft. I'm not gonna be tearing it down. I'd rather have it fully secured and locked in place when we're going down the river. Also, don't make fun of my punch. Perfectly executed. I'm gonna get comments, why aren't you using cutting oil? Because I don't have any. Beautiful. Man, look at the care we're taking here. Save that giant piece from going flying. Probably should be wearing glasses too, you know?
Probably not the worst idea.
Cutting new things open. Oh, we nailed that. Oh, that's why. Big old metal chunk. Another instance where sunglasses would probably be a good idea.
Yeah.
Ready to set this back down? Now that it is hopefully metalless, you need it to come back a bit.
Yeah. That works.
There it goes. Yep. Yeah, no, that makes sense for the oar locks to be further up.
Yeah, I think so.
I guess. Oh, it's not terrible.
Yeah, it's not.
It's. I mean,
It's manageable for 2 guys.
Exactly. You couldn't do this with one person. Easy peasy.
Dude, that thing is sweet.
That's a wrap on the River Rat USA Pro Series 3-seater. Oh, it's gonna be really fun out in Montana. Gonna be ripping this boat around, but before Montana, we got to take it out at least a few times, get used to it, get on the oars, feel it out, see how it does on the water, and just get used to the boat itself before taking it to some of those big Western rivers. So appreciate it again. Thank you for helping me put it together. It's a thing of beauty. This is gonna be fun.
You're gonna have a ton of fun with it.
This is gonna be a blast. Thank you guys for watching. More information will be coming out soon on the Send trip. Excited to share those details with you guys, and stay tuned for more videos.